Welcome back. We've learned that instance methods define an object's behavior. In this lecture, we will define more instance methods in our student class to showcase how they can perform calculations, update an object's internal state, and take additional parameters. 1. Defining a calculation method. Instance methods can take parameters beyond self. We define calculate_fee, which takes course_credits. Inside the method, we perform a calculation, multiplying the given credits by a constant rate. Note that this method uses object data indirectly, but primarily relies on the external parameter to return a result. 2. Defining a state modification method. Instance methods are also used to change the object's internal state. We define celebrate_birthday. This method accesses self.age, increments it by 1, and then prints a message. This is a crucial concept. Methods are the gatekeepers that safely modify the object's internal attributes, which is the core of encapsulation. 3. Testing the methods. We create S1 with an initial age of 20. First, we call calculate_fee passing in 12 credits, and it correctly returns 600. Then, we call celebrate_birthday. Notice that after this call, the internal state S1.age has permanently changed from 20 to 21. To summarize, instance methods are essential for building functional objects. We have now learned constructors and instance methods. Constructors build and initialize an object, while methods define its capabilities. Understanding the distinction is vital for writing clean OP code. Join me in Lecture 16.09, Methods versus Constructors. See you there.